Gaining awareness. In the heart of Ghana's east lived James Toro, a young man of 29 with a bright mind. But after school, James found himself drawn to the bright lights and quick thrills of gaming. Not just friendly games, but serious gambling, day in and day out. Soon, the fun turned into a problem. James started chasing losses, borrowing money, and making bad choices. One day, he even used money from his boss's business, hoping for a big win to pay it back. But luck wasn't on his side. The consequences were heavy. James was arrested, and he spent some difficult days behind bars. It was a wake-up call, a cold shower for his spirit, but he felt lost and didn't know how to change. Meanwhile, his good friend Owusu, worried about James, was determined to find help. He heard about the Ghana Gaming Commission and their toll-free number, 0800-454545. Owusu also checked their website, www.gamingcommission.gov.gh, for more information. Owusu wasted no time. He went straight to the Gaming Commission's office. There, he met Officer Ebo, who listened patiently to his concerns about James and other young people. Officer Ebo had good news. Officer Ebo told Owusu about an upcoming, quote, Gaming Month organization event at Legon. It's a gaming awareness program, he explained. For a better understanding of gaming, bring the youth from your area who are into gambling. Responsibility is key, and no underage gaming. Owusu hurried back home, his heart full of hope. He found James and shared the news. James was hesitant, but Owusu insisted. My brother, this is for your own good. We go together. On the day of the organization, Owusu gathered James, Kweku, and Mensa, and some other young men from their community. Together, they made their way to the gathering at Legon in Medina. The air was buzzing with anticipation. The, quote, gaming awareness event was truly eye-opening. Speakers talked about the importance of responsible gaming, setting limits, and understanding the risks. They stressed that gambling is for adults only, and definitely not for those under 18. James listened, truly listened, and a new understanding dawned on him. He realized that gaming could be fun, but only with responsibility. He decided to turn a new leaf, to use his bright mind for better things, and to help others in his community understand the importance of responsible choices. Owusu smiled, knowing his friend had found his way.